Here we go, folks. Here's another one. Mars Perseverance 37 left mass cam Z. This has got people in it. Let's put it that way. I ain't gonna go mess around. It's got people in it. So here, let's go bring it up here. I've already put some contrast to it. All right. Let's start at the top here. Up here. Okay. Bunch of some dudes up here with their vehicle. You see the headlights. Okay, these guys are small. I don't care what anybody says. They're small. They're little. You can see them. There we're coming up on it. Got all kinds of weird shit. What's this? Huh? What is that? There's another little dude there. I got a feeling that these are vehicles, not rocks. There's a whole bunch of them here that they've wiped out. Look at this whole ridge is covered in people. Spots. Those are their heads. They're lined up all along here. Then we go in. Let's see where the hell he is. Oh. There he is. I went right by him. Look at it. That's not a person. Head, face, shoulder, arm, hair, sitting down. Let's go look at this some more. I think that's another little rock-defied dude here. They turn these people into rocks. There could be a whole bunch of them sitting right here, and you'd never even know it. There's one here. The rest of her face. Turn the rest of her into rock. Sickening what they do to these pictures. There's another little dude there. Yeah. Two of them. Looks like a kid and a parent. And then they bury him. Look at this guy's sticking up over out of the fake sand. Fake, fake, fake. Good. I don't care what anybody says. The reason this top of this rock looks the way it does is because it's covered. Look at them. They've just friggin' wiped it right out. Let's try something. But you see? Now and then you got a bigger one that's sitting in here. Look at it. Look over here. Couple there. Call me nuts. I don't care. I see what I see. What are these? With the lights on in the front. Well, that's all I wanted to show you. These are houses. These are buildings. They gotta be. Either that or they're vehicles. What's up with this? Those aren't buildings, right? Alrighty, that's about it. Thanks. See ya.